Hello children, how are you all? I hope everybody is fine. Yes. So in the previous class we have discussed a grand contest in the forest, right? That is unit 1 and reading C we have discussed. So today we are going to discuss unit 2 reading A. A reading Telangana, the pride of people. So we feel so happy to listen, right? Yes, because we are going to talk about our Telangana. Okay, we are really proud of Telangana. Okay, and it must be a pride for us. Okay, yes. So here, children, if you look into your textbook, you have some of the pictures over there. In your textbook, you have some of the pictures. If you see there, first picture, if you see there, what is that? It is called Charminar, right? So, and this is the dance, okay? And this is the monument. And here, what do you know about the monuments and the dance shown in these pictures? So that you have to find it out, okay? Yes. So, what cultural importance do these monuments and dance have for us today? Okay, it is a cultural dance. And here, one of the picture and another one you see here, the third one is Kila Varangal. Okay, and so why am I showing all these pictures is we are going to discuss about different kinds of festivals in our Telangana. Okay, and what are the works are famous in our Telangana. Okay, and some what are the famous jataras. Okay, so these all Pochampalli, about Pochampalli saris, Gadwal and Narayanpet, all these we are going to see today children. Okay, it is so interesting and please try to listen and be ready with your textbook and with your pencils. Okay, so that if you come across any new words you can underline and write your meanings over there, right? Yes. So let us start children. First before we start we should know the characters in the story. That is here some of the characters are there. Hari is father character and Kiran is playing son role and Lakshmi is playing mother role. Yes. Yes children. So today we are going to discuss only part 1. Okay. About few information. Okay. Some information about Telangana and also when we got Telangana. Okay. And next is we are going to discuss about Bonalu and Batukama, which are famous festivals of our Telangana. Right? Yes. Yeah, Hari was sitting in the armchair and was reading the newspaper. Kiran, his son, observed the emotions appearing on his father's face. So here, Hari was sitting in the armchair and he was reading newspaper. Father is reading newspaper. And the son, who is son? Kiran. Kiran was absorbing the father's emotions on the face. He is absorbing his emotions, okay, and which are appearing on his face. Then he asked, who asked here? Kiran asked Hari, I mean his dad, Dad, what is special in the news? Why are you so emotional? Kiran, his son, asked him. Okay, so Kiran asked him, why father, why you are so emotional? What is that you see in the newspaper? He asked him to his father. Today is a red letter day for us. So that day is a red letter day for us dear. The union government has declared Telangana as the 29th state of our country. So our country is 29th state. Okay, 29th state. And when it is declared children, it is declared June 2nd. In which year? 2014. Okay. Yes, how we got that after many, so many members have sacrificed, okay. And after that only we have really got this Telangana separation. Okay. Today is a red letter day for us here. The union government has declared Telangana as the 29th state of the country. It took many years for the government to take this decision. So for so many years after we got this Telangana separation. Okay. Many people sacrificed their lives for our state. Many people passed away. Many people have sacrificed. They died. Okay. To get this Telangana separated. We need to remember the martyrs. Martyrs are those who sacrificed, the sacrificers we can say, those who died, okay, to get Telangana separated, okay, who sacrificed their lives for separate Telangana state. Now we have our own state with our own culture. After many members have fought and sacrificed, finally we have got our Telangana state separated. Okay, and it is now our state and it is now our culture everywhere in Telangana. That is what father said. Who is father? Hari. Okay. Dad, please tell me more about it. Kiran requested very eagerly. So Kiran want to know more about Telangana. Then he requested, Dad, could you tell me more about Telangana? Then father said, of course, my dear. Dear child, the long-lasting dream of our people has become true. So, it is a long-lasting dream it is. Okay, many years back it was a dream. But after many years, it has been fulfilled completely. The birth of our state is on June 2nd, that is 2004. That is our state is 29th state. That we have to remember. Now there are more chances for employment and inclusive development. Very nice. So now first priority will be given only to Telangana people for employment or whatever the inclusive development. Okay, only the priority will be given to Telangana people and more jobs will be available for us first. And first priority will be given only to Telangana. Yes, people. Moreover, we can revive. Revive is what? Restore. Okay. Our culture, we can revive our language. Hari said. So, father said, moreover, we have jobs and also we can give much of importance to our language and also our culture. Okay. Now, before, all over the world, very few of them used to celebrate. But now Telangana, it became very famous. So everyone will know, yes, this Telangana's famous dance or language or culture or whatever. Telangana we have separate bird we have, Telangana flower we have, Telangana animal we have. So like this, we have got much more importance now. Okay. So everyone, other states also will be knowing the importance of Telangana. So that is really great about. Dad, is our language different? Kiran asked. Not exactly, said Hari. It is a variant of Telugu. Variant means different languages of Telugu. No, what ma'am? Different Telugu is only one. How can you say different languages in Telugu? So different languages in Telugu means we speak Telugu only. Of course, the slang will be different. Okay. So maybe Rayalaseema they speak differently, Guntur and all. So different states they speak different slangs of Telugu language. Okay, but it has not been given the status of the language and was humiliated on many occasions. So even our festivals are not given much importance. Indeed, our Telangana language is part of our culture, Hari explained. So before it was not given much importance to Telugu language, but now it is given a major importance to Telugu language. And what are the special festivals of our state? Dad, Kiran asked. So here, Kiran asked here, Dad, what are the special festivals of our state? Then father said, we celebrate the main festivals as well as the regional festivals. Main festivals and regional festivals will be there. Festivals like Bonalu, Batukamma and Peerla Panduga reflect our lives, said Hari. So mainly the major role will be played by this Bonalu, Batukamma and Peerla Panduga, which are they follow with our life will be continued with them. Okay, every time every year we celebrate Batukamma, Peerla Panduga and Bonalu. Okay, in a grand way. So those are the main festivals, and meanwhile Hari saw Lakshmi coming. So while father is saying about this, in between mother has entered. Okay. So then immediately what Hari told is, meanwhile Hari saw Lakshmi coming, means husband. Okay, means Hari is always Lakshmi. Okay, husbands or wife. Then what happened? Now it's your mother turn. Then Hari told to Kiran, now it's your mother turn to explain you. She will let you know about our festivals, Hari said. We celebrate our festivals with warmth and fervor. What is that warmth and fervor? Fervor is strong feeling. Okay, we have, yes, this is our culture. We have to celebrate. Okay, at any cost. Okay, so that pride and proud will be there in our in us, that we have to celebrate our festival. Okay, our culture festival and all. Bonalu, our state festival, is celebrated during Ashada Masam as thanksgiving to goddess Mahankali for fulfilling our wishes. So here during this Bonalu time, they give some of the offerings and they ask to their goddess that their desires, their wishes must get fulfilled. Means what they wish in mind, okay, that must be fulfilled. They give as offerings to, okay, that is the Mahankali. Okay, to Mahankali they give Mahankali goddess, they give offerings to fulfill their desires. That is to only in Ashada Masam. Okay, as thanksgiving. Next, what do they do actually? What will be there in this and all? Let us see here. We prepare rice cooked with milk and jaggery. So here they keep here in this some rice, some jaggery with milk and all they keep, and they cook that one. That is called sweet rice, we can say. We prepare rice cooked with milk and jaggery, put in a ghattam. Ghattam is what here? It's nothing but a pot which is decorated. Okay, that is called ghattam. The decorated pot, and carry the pot in the procession singing songs. Procession means what? All together the people will go to the temple. Okay, so that walking together everyone is called procession. So when all together they are walking, they carry that ghattam, okay, which is with the cooked rice, that is sweet rice will be there in this, and with that they all have the procession. Okay, they will be having the procession by singing songs and all. Okay, and the fiti culminates as the ghattams are offered to the local goddess and Lakshmi. So his mother told him that all will carry these ghattams and they will move by singing and all to the goddess, okay, to the temple. And that is fiti means nothing but public celebration. This is called public celebration, means everyone will celebrate, okay, all the Hindus. Culminates as the ghattams are offered to the local goddess. So all that they carry and they offer to the local goddess. In Indu, Kiran's sister said them and said, yes, here is one more character, that is Indu. Who is Indu? This Kiran's sister, okay? Yeah. So Indu is Kiran's sister. What she have asked, let us see. Kiran's sister joined them and said, yes, last Tuesday we saw the jubilant procession. So Indu quickly ran and came and she told, yes, I saw that jubilant procession in the last week, last Tuesday. Then Indu asked, Mom, what about Batukamma? Then first here, Kiran asked about this Bonalu. Now this Indu, that is sister of Kiran, asked to Lakshmi, that is her mother, what about she have asked about Batukamma she have asked. Then what she explained. Batukamma festival is celebrated as part of Dasara. So this Batukamma festival is celebrated as a part of Dasara. The festival has historical and religious significance. Historical, okay, from so many years onwards it is been continuing. Okay, it's very, very important festival. Women carry Batukamma beautifully stacked with Tangedu, Gunugu and Chamanti flowers to the meeting points. So they decorate this all with like different flowers, beautifully stacked with like Tangeda flowers and Gunugu flowers and Chamanti flowers. So different kinds of flowers, they decorate that beautifully. and making circles around the Batukama. So like this they make circles. Okay, all the circles it will be decorated. Women folk, after decorating like this, all they keep together all this, okay, at one place. And what do? They keep all at one place and they start singing and dancing around that in the form of circles they dance. Okay. Songs related to our culture. So related to the culture they sing songs, and later the Batukama are taken to the local tanks and streams to be immersed. Lakshmi explained. So after celebrating, after singing and dancing around that, after completing they take all those and they move to nearby local tanks and they will put it into, they will immerse into that local tanks. Okay, that is what Lakshmi explained to Indu about this Batukama. Okay children, next part we will continue in the next class. Catch you later children.